Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new number 13. In a garden, a boy counted the leaves one by one. There are 13 leaves on a tree. Can you count the leaves? Let's count 13 leaves. Look at the right in the bars. There is 1 tens and 3 ones, and it is 13. Now think and tell how many leaves fell down from the tree in the picture. What is the color of the leaves? Thank you. See you in the next lesson.